Every weld that you see on a Tandemloc product was done by one of our qualified welders right here in the United States at our North Carolina facility. We do not outsource any of our welding. Tandemloc welds meet or exceed the industry standard of AWS D14.1. This is the most up-to-date welding standard from the American Welding Society for welding of industrial and mill cranes and other material handling equipment. Our welders have passed qualification tests in accordance with AWS D14.1 for multiple processes including flux core arc welding, gas metal arc welding, and robotic welding, all for unlimited thickness. These processes are used for mild steel, high tensile steel, and aluminum as appropriate. Here at Tandemloc, we make sure that all our welds consistently meet the highest industry standard, allowing our products to be used in multiple applications ranging from material handling and construction to military and aerospace industries. If you want more information about Tandemloc, you can visit our website at tandemloc.com. You can also reach us by emailing info@tandemloc.com or calling 1-800-258-7324.